Welcome to WordPress. To manually add meta keywords in WordPress without a plugin, do this. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Theme File Editor. Click I understand. Open the header.php file. Theme header, header.php. This is the head section. So find the closing head tag, that is this one. Before that, insert your meta keywords tag like this. Use comma separated keywords like this. But this is wrong because header.php file is common. If we do it like this, these meta keywords will be appearing in all posts, in all pages. And that is what we don't want. What we actually want to do is to dynamically add keywords via functions.php file. So delete this, update file, then open functions.php file. At the bottom, use this code. Function add meta keywords. If is single or is page, insert meta keywords dynamically. So let's update this file. Basically, this code will check if the page is single post or page. If yes, it will get keywords from that post and insert it in header. To add those keywords, edit any post or page in the add-on. Let's add a new post. Let's give it a random title. So now we'll use custom fields. We'll have to enable custom fields from screen options. We'll enter a new custom field with the name meta_keywords. And as its value, we can type comma separated keywords. WordPress and web development. Let's publish it. If we check the post, view source, and here we have it. Meta name keywords, WordPress and web development. Now, if we want another page, we can create another post or page. Let's select meta_keywords. These are my keywords. Let's publish the post and see if those keywords are present by looking at the source. And here they are. So these are dynamically being injected in posts by using this. And here is the name of that custom field, meta_keywords, that we are using here. Okay, so if you want to do it via a plugin, there are many plugins that allow you to do it. Search for plugins like header footer. So install this plugin, header and footer scripts. Now go and create a post or page. And there we have it, insert script to head. There you can add meta keywords for this specific post. Here it is. And if you want to inject header footer scripts globally, under settings, click header and footer scripts and use those scripts here for header or for footer if you want this globally. So this is how you can use it via a plugin or by using custom code. And if you are wondering there are other meta tags like meta description, then hopefully you're using any SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math. Those allow us to insert meta description for each post or page. So this is how you can add meta keywords or custom meta tags manually to selected posts or pages. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.